Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I am very excited to finally get my hands on the Shure M88 Plus video kit, and it's a great little kit that you can just either plug your phone into, and with the great cameras on phones these days, and use your phone with a professional mic. So you go your phone with your mic and plug it in, and you can have a very good video. And it also comes with the tripod as well. You can either go handheld or tripod, and we're going to be unboxing this today, and I'll be testing it over the month and letting you guys know. Now let's start off by looking at the box. Pretty plain and simple. Love this, very nice. It's okay, a bit too much for my liking, too much information here. Would have loved this side, but not so much this side. This is okay, and Shure are a well-respected brand. They're well known for all their items out here, and especially for their mics. Nearly everyone uses their mics, so I'm really interested in finding out how they're doing with this sort of shotgun mic, shoehorn and horseshoe kind of thing. And I really want to try it out with my camera as well. It'll be fantastic to see how it does against everything else like that. And let's get this out of the way without tearing it. That's pretty good, isn't it, guys? What do you guys think? That came off nice and cleanly without destroying the box. Okay, opening it up, it's pretty similar with all Shures. They have the same sort of closing on it. Quick start guide, how to use this. And as you can see, it's like a tripod but closes up, and you can actually hold it as well. And that's how you go, and it's fantastic. You can get a headphone connected to it as well and have your feedback and check how your voice is doing. It's got the app configuration and things like that. So those are the ways you can use it. Alright, that was nice and simple. Now let's look at what we get inside. That counts. Alright, so this is it. We're getting a bit of a bag of some sort. Okay, I've never had this one, so I've just bought this for the channel. For sometimes when I'm doing like videos where I am externally recording my computer, and I've got an iPhone 15 Plus that I use, and it's great. Instead of taking this camera out where it's on a boom stick, and then I've got a Shure mic, which is, if you guys want to see my review or the unboxing of the Shure mic that I'm using right now, it's the Shure MV7, I believe, off the top of my head. It'll be in the channel, and I'll try and remember and link it to this one as well. But this is a bit of a service information for Shure. For sure. Anyways, and this is some other warnings and safety instructions for it. And that's the bad boy over here, the actual mic that will go on it. There's nothing else in here, so that's good to know. Oh no, sorry, that's not the mic, that's the stand. So this is the stand that you get inside it. Very sturdy. If it's plastic, it's very well designed, very well built. The design on it and build on it is really good. But I don't think this is plastic. Comment below, let me know if this is plastic. What do you guys think? But I'm pretty sure this is metal. These are way too good. This is great to see. You can actually mount a camera on top of this as well. So for all you videographers and photographers, you can actually mount your camera on that. That's really fantastic to see. You don't have to, they haven't done some proprietary thing that you can't just use anything on there. So that's that. Let's look at what is inside over here. Wow, that's fantastic to see. Look at how neatly this is designed. This is fantastic to see, guys. This is awesome to see. Let's go from the right to left. What do they have inside? Okay, so they have a USB, a micro USB to Lightning port, which is on the way out. Since iPhone 15, they have a USB-C to micro USB. I am guessing micro USB is going to go on the back of this mic. Then we've got the little, this looks quite sturdy as well. Let's have a look at it while we're here. Do a proper unboxing. This looks very sturdy. I hate the ones that you actually force open, because I had a few of them and they actually break after a while, you know, whereas this is a lot better. You just open it, slide it as large as you want, and then close it. And they have rubberized bits here, and they have a groove in there, so they will hold your phone really well. And this will go on top of this like that, just like a camera would. This is fantastic to see, guys. I really am impressed by how much detail Shure put into their products. Let's look at this. Okay, so this is probably your mic holder, and it's fantastic to see how they've made this so this can go onto your camera as well. So if you look at this closely, this is a horseshoe setup, so you'll just slide on top of the camera where the flash goes and things like that, and you can tighten it, and you can put the mic in there, so you don't really need to, you're not tied into any of these company special kind of thing where it's just that company's items that you can use, which would be really sad to see. And it's such a waste to the environment as well. That's a beautiful little mic here. It's got the cover as well, the protection from all the harsh purrs and curs to stop that from going through. It's got the audio 3.5 and the micro USB. That's great to see. And I think it just slides in here. Let's see, LR, okay. It actually records in stereo, which is fantastic. That's the right side, this is the left side, which is good to see. Now, does it have to be this hard to go in, or am I going in the wrong way? This should be. Okay, that's nice and sturdy, which is good to see. Like, you can, it's nice and safe. Look at how safe that is. Like, it won't come off. It's very sturdy. It's quite nicely stuck to it, and that's what you want to see with these products, you know. And that can go easily on top of your camera as well. Let me know what you guys would like me to test this against. I've done mic tests before where I have gotten recordings of different mics and let you guys decide. Would you like me to do the same for this against another mic, such as the one I'm using now and a few others I've used? Anyways, that's it from me, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. This channel survives on your subscriptions. $400 that I have spent out of my pocket just to get you guys an unboxing, and then I'll be doing some comparison videos and hopefully a review very shortly as well. So if you appreciate that, if you appreciate my unbiased work, please do comment below. Please do subscribe and watch more videos, and super thanks would really help out. Alright guys, thank you for watching it today, and take good care. Bye bye.